Hey Foodie Fam, I'm Chantel and I lost 44 pounds and counting following a plant-based lifestyle. Today we are making a nutritious and delicious lemon Dijon roasted veggie bowl. This bowl is packed with flavor, fiber, and protein to keep you full and satisfied longer. If you're looking for an easy meal prep option that supports fat loss without sacrificing flavor, this recipe is for you. Let's get into it. Here's what you'll need: cauliflower, carrots, kale, artichokes, some firm tofu, herbs and spices, and a lemon. First, let's roast our veggies and tofu for that amazing texture and caramelized flavor. To our roasted veggies, I'm drizzling with olive oil, then seasoning with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, tossing everything so that it is coated evenly. On a separate sheet pan, I have my cubed tofu and I'm drizzling it with some olive oil, then seasoning it with some onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, poultry seasoning, salt, and pepper, and fanning it out into an even layer. I recommend letting your tofu marinate prior to cooking. Pop both pans into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through for even roasting. While that's roasting, let's prep our kale. Kale can be tough, so we're going to massage it with a little bit of olive oil and salt to soften it up and bring out its natural sweetness. Just use your hands and work it in for about 30 seconds to a minute until it turns a deeper green color. Now for the best part, our lemon Dijon sauce. It's tangy, creamy, and ties everything together beautifully. Just whisk together Dijon mustard, lemon juice, maple syrup, tahini, apple cider vinegar, minced garlic or garlic powder, a little bit of water to thin it out if needed, and fresh dill weed. Taste and adjust. If you like it tangier, add more lemon. If you want it a little sweeter, add a touch more maple syrup. It's time to assemble. Start with a base of brown rice, which is made in our rice cooker for convenience. Then add in our massaged kale, roasted cauliflower, carrots, artichoke, which is a great prebiotic and great for gut health, and crispy tofu. Drizzle generously with our lemon Dijon sauce and you've got a gorgeous nutrient-packed meal. This bowl is a perfect balance of flavor. We have the smokiness from our roasted vegetables, the crispiness from our tofu, and then the sweet, tangy flavor from our Dijon dressing, which makes this combination an absolute game changer. If you try this recipe, comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on a new recipe. Until next time, remember, healthy does not mean boring.